Imagine you're stuck in a waiting room. No phone, nothing to read, just you and a beige wall. Most people call that wasted time. But something specific is happening inside your skull right now. Researchers who study creativity have started calling it the most productive state your brain can enter. Here's what almost everyone believes. When you're bored, your brain goes quiet. It idles, like a car engine at a red light, burning minimal energy, doing nothing useful. That belief is wrong. When you stop focusing on a task, a network of brain regions switches on. Not off, on. Scientists call it the default mode network, the DMN, the mode your brain defaults to when you stop directing it at something external. It's anchored in two main areas: the medial prefrontal cortex, behind your forehead, and the posterior cingulate cortex, toward the back. Both fire up the moment your attention goes unfocused. Here's what the DMN actually does. It pulls memories from across your life and starts connecting them. It runs simulations of possible futures. It makes loose, associative links between ideas that focused thinking can't reach. This is not rest. It's a different kind of work, a background operation your brain runs the moment the foreground clears. Think of your DMN like a city's postal sorting facility. It only runs its deepest operations at night, when daytime traffic clears. The moment you stop directing your brain at a screen, a task, or a conversation, it starts sorting the mail, connecting something from last Tuesday with something you read in 2018, with a problem you haven't consciously touched yet. You can't rush that sort while traffic is moving. Boredom is what clears the road. Now here's the uncomfortable part. Every time you reach for your phone, the moment boredom hits, you're canceling the sort before it finishes. The DMN needs uninterrupted, low stimulation time. 15 minutes of genuine quiet isn't dead air. That's when the connections form. Researchers at UC Santa Barbara gave people a boring, repetitive task to do mid-experiment. Then they tested them on creative problem-solving afterward. The people who'd been bored outperformed the people who hadn't. Their brains had been working while they stared at nothing. There's a catch that most people miss. Scrolling your phone doesn't trigger the DMN. Neither does passive video. These activities are low effort, but they're still directed. They still occupy the foreground and block the background work from starting. What the DMN needs is genuine understimulation, real boredom, the exact thing most people are actively engineering out of their lives. So boredom isn't a sign something has gone wrong. It's your brain noticing that the queue has cleared. The discomfort is the system alerting you that background processing is available. For most of human history, idle time meant either rest or danger, so the brain learned to flag it. That alert never got removed. Your body kept the warning even after it stopped being useful. The next time you feel the itch to grab your phone mid-queue, consider that the discomfort you're trying to escape is your brain's signal that it's about to start connecting dots you didn't even know needed connecting. If this surprised you, subscribe. We post a new body mystery every day.